the landscape's very interesting. Like Brex selling to Capital One as an example, like over many years on this show, the guys at Brex would never have said that would be the case. How do you feel about Ramp's independence, long term, and where it fits in a big sea of large financial players?
I think it's a really special thing. If you talk to, let's say, a finance leader of a company, let's say with 500 employees, their finance suite looks like a mess. We find there's something like 20 tools on average, something for cards, something for bill payments, something for AR, something for expenses, something for procurement, something for approvals. It's horrific. Right. And part of what we've done is collapse that and really simplify it. And I think that has first made us unique in the market and allowed us to grow even faster than the largest financial institutions. And so we're excited. We're over 2% of all the corporate and small business card transactions in the US. And while we're very excited about that, we look forward to taking on the next 98% and delivering something better.